right, so we're doing fractions, and we're adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing them. So my signs are the same, so I'm going to add them. I'm going to change them first to improper fraction. Improper fraction, so 2 times 10 equals 20, plus 7 equals 27. And then I've got 4 times 8 is 32, plus 3 is 35 over 8. So I have to have a common denominator to be able to multiply these. So I know, or I'm sorry, to add these. So I know my common denominator is going to be 40. So I multiply by 4. So 27 times 4 is 68. And then I multiply by 5. I get 175. So now I can add the numerators. I get 243 over 40. So now I have to simplify that. So I know 40 goes into 243 6 whole times. 6 times 40 is 240. So I have 3 40ths left over. I'm going to hope that's right. I'm thinking something's wrong here. All right, so my signs are different, but I'm multiplying. So I know my answer is going to be negative. 5 times 4 is 20. 9 times 10 is 90. Okay, I know that I can simplify that by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 10. So I get a negative 2/9. All right, I'm dividing fractions, so I have to change them into improper fractions. So 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15 over 2. And I'm dividing that by 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. And it's negative, so negative 10/3. I'm going to keep, change, flip. So I end up with 45 over negative 20. I know 20 goes into 45 2 whole times with 5 20ths left over, and it's negative. I know I can divide by 5 in the numerator and the denominator, and I get negative 2 1/4. All right, I'm adding. My signs are the same, so I can add, and I have to make sure that my denominators are the same. All right, so I've got 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41, so negative 41 over 8, I think. Yep. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 7 is going to be 34 over 9. I have to make sure I have the same denominator. So my denominator is going to be 72. So I'm multiplying by 9. So 41 times 9 is going to be 369. That's negative. And then I'm multiplying by 8. So 34 times 8. I get negative 272. So then I'm going to add the two numerators. I get negative 641 over 72. So I have to think, how many times is 72 going to go into that number? Jeez Louise, it's going to go in like 5 times, I think. No, it's got to be more than 5. Let's try 8 times. Yeah, that's going to be closer. So 56, 57. 641 minus 576. Okay, so I get 8 times with 65 over 72 left over. I don't think you can simplify that. Ah, very good. If you are still doing this activity and you have questions about how they got the answers, let me know, and I'll be glad to work through the rest of them. Have a great rest of your day.